Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Midnight Lab, your home for professional-grade AI art tools. In our last video, we broke the mold with the Genesis engine, showing you how to create an entire photo shoot from a single image, completely bypassing the need for LoRA training. Today, we're taking that concept and scaling it to an entirely new level. We're going to dive deep into my brand new Flagship batch processor, a true idea factory that will permanently change how you brainstorm and create. Get ready, this one is a beast. Now, every great workflow is built on a great foundation. And for everything we're doing here at the lab, that foundation is Flux. Flux is the new state-of-the-art model from Black Forest Lab. It's not just another diffusion model, it's a completely different architecture, and it is incredibly powerful. The level of prompt adherence, the quality of the fine details, and the images it produces are, in my opinion, second to none right now. It's the perfect engine for professional, high-quality work, which makes it the only choice for the kind of advanced, automated systems we're about to dive into. So, how do we take that incredible power of Flux and multiply it? That's where my brand new Flagship batch processor comes in, the Hydra Engine. I've engineered this workflow to be the ultimate idea factory, designed to give you maximum creativity with minimum effort. Forget writing a dozen different prompts by hand. With this, you can generate a massive batch of up to 60 unique images automatically. It's the ultimate tool for effortless creative exploration. Let me show you how it works. All right, let's take a look under the hood. This is the Hydra Engine V3. And it all begins here, in the Model and LoRA group. This is your standard setup. You load your Flux model, and you can stack any LoRAs you want to use right here. It works perfectly with all your character or style LoRAs. And this is the new brain of the operation. You just paste your Gemini API key in here. For most people, it should work without the key, but adding your own key guarantees a stable connection to the AI. Now, the Hydra has two powerful modes. This first one is the manual mode. You have 12 independent prompt boxes here, and you can write 12 completely different creative prompts to generate a massive batch of images all at once. This is for when you know exactly what you want. If you're using a character LoRA, you just type your trigger word into the LoRA trigger box. The workflow will then automatically find the generic subject in the AI's prompt like woman and replace it with your specific character trigger for perfect consistency. And of course, you have full control over the entire grid. With these master switches, you can easily turn any of the 12 pipelines on or off, saving via RAM. But now for the real magic, this is the AI mode. Instead of writing prompts, all you have to do is come to these caption groups and upload your reference images. You can upload one, or you can fill all 12. So once you've loaded your reference images, you just hit Q prompt. Instantly, the Gemini AI analyzes every single reference image you uploaded and writes a unique, hyper-detailed, professional-grade prompt to replicate it. It does all the difficult creative writing for you. This is where you can switch between manual and auto prompt. Connect Guide 1 for auto, or Guide 1M for manual. And then, the Hydra's pipelines fire up, generating a full batch of incredible images, each one guided by the AI's expert prompting. From reference images to a final portfolio, all in a single click. And here it is, the final result, a complete 12-shot professional portfolio with 60 outputs. We have close-ups, we have lifestyle shots, different outfits, different locations, different moods. Look at the quality, the detail, the incredible variety. And remember, all of this was generated from just a handful of reference images, with the AI writing every single creative prompt for us. This entire photo shoot was created in a single click. This is the power of the Hydra engine. And there you have it, a complete professional portfolio generated in a single click. This is what happens when you combine the power of Flux with Gemini 2.5. You get limitless ideas, incredible detail, and a full batch of content ready to go. The full Flagship workflow you saw, the complete V3 engine with the integrated Gemini AI is available right now. Exclusively on my Gumroad link to the lab is in the description below. Go get the engine. Now I'm heading back to the lab to work on the next breakthrough. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.